yung ang tangkad niya, iba pala yung meaning ng ang liit na siya, ang ganda pakinggan.
Nakakapitit.
Kasi galing sa malapad pala siya, hindi doon sa tangkad galing.
Pero yun nga, gano'n ka kasaya?
June, actually, I'm very happy. I know actually yung tanong mo kung saan nanggagaling kasi I posted something on social media last night.
Actually, napuyat kanina.
I'm so sorry, ako rin kaya ang preoccupied ako ngayon eh.
Talagang basa ko. Tapos kanina may isang actress sabi sa akin, did you see yung pinost ni Sharon?
Sino yung actress na yan?
Alam mo na, tagahama mo siya. Pinadala sa akin.
Mahal ako?
Oo,
Kasi sa ano na yan, okay.
Tapos
Inaanak ko?
sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, kagabi pa yan. Ay, sorry, Jen. Kwento ka kila Nancy.
Europe?
Hindi, US. Kwento ko kanina kila Nancy. Sabi
Hindi, ano naman.
Grabe, talagang lahat na taranta.
No, actually, very, very honest, really a right platform, the right platform or a good platform to express your personal feelings when you're a public figure. But I was forced to because the greeting that my daughter made with parang explanations for her absence on my birthday show in ASAP. It was posted on social media. And like I wrote in my posts last night, I didn't naman get a personal message. So I really, and it's not like her. So parang nag-aalala ko, siya nanay ako eh. So I think it's normal lang sa mag-ina na merong mga panahon na ganyan. And I'm worried lang because I don't know what she's going through. So I know that she's going to get in touch with us soon. But I missed her kasi for the first time, wala siya na. Muna late siya ng Christmas Eve. Tapos wala siyang Christmas lunch. Tapos talagang wala siya ng New Year's Eve at New Year's Day. Tapos pinakamasakit, wala akong idea saan siya ng birthday ko. But I said that all in my Instagram post. I really don't need to repeat that. It all boils down to a mother missing her daughter. That's all. And that's all. But pero talagang yung mga bashers, hindi naman maiwasan yun. That's part of the whole package. But I have learned to manage my emotions well when it comes to them. Actually, halos dumating sa point na halos wala ka ng emosyon, kailangan mo lang pagsabihan. I learned from my early years on Twitter kasi I couldn't stand yung parang walang respeto. Hindi ako lumaking ganun eh. Tapos yung generation natin, di ba, pag may confrontation, mag-usap tayo para maayos or ano ba, sinabi mo ba to. Ngayon, they're matapang kasi they're anonymous. So, hindi ako sanay noon ng Twitter. Para akong nanay na pinapalo yung mga anak. Ba't kayo ganyan? Ganyan. So, sinasagot ko. After a while, I figured, oh my God, I don't know these people. Why am I entertaining even the idea of, responding? So, I just stopped altogether. And then later on, pag meron, binablock ko na lang. Or meron lang talagang sobrang sakit at bastos magsalita. Na you have to try to wonder. Not claim to know, but wonder why. So, minsan fans ng iba, or siguro mga diehard ni Casey na hindi naiintindihan yung dynamics ng pamilya. Or meron din siguro mga hindi naman lumaking katulad nyo, or iba yung pinagdaanan ng malaki, hindi katulad ng mga anak ko, parang loved lahat, diba? So, iniintindi ko na lang. Sabi nga ni Daddy, dapat ikaw umintindi, hindi yung, diba? Just don't go na lang down to their level. Ikaw na lang umintindi kung mas malawak ka. So, I understand, pero ang pakiusap ko lang, huwag na lang pakialaman yung hindi naman nila alam ang punot dulo, kung gaano katagal na, kung anong pinag-umpisahan. Kasi minsan pati ako hindi ko alam eh, tapos sila alam nila. Yung ganun ba? So, sana, the world would be a much better place if everybody just wished each other well. Sa dami ng nangyayaring gulo sa mundo ngayon, parang sa dami ng problema, yung pati ba naman yun, problemahin pa natin. So, yun lang ang wish ko. Sana instead of mga patutsada at ganyan, dasal na lang, di ba, para maayos lahat. Hindi sila nakakatulong. No? So, but I just miss my daughter. It all boils down to that. It's very normal. That's all. And I just want to know how she is.
Pero Shawi, nakakatuwa nga. Sabi mo bashers, no? Pero ilan lang naman sila and they will always be haters. Pero Shawi, sa dami na nagmamahal sa'yo, ako ang dami kong mga nakausap, like Sharon yan, like me. Ako, ang naramdaman ko, yung, alam mo, very touching yung pinost mo eh. At saka,
It was meant to be,
actually, mas nag-worry kami for you, dahil nakaka-touch talaga, no? And knowing you, kasi nagpapakatotoo ka lang, ako, ang naramdaman ko is, mas hinangaan niya kita eh. Kasi nagagawa mong ilabas yung totoo. Hindi ka nag-worry, di ba?
Na hindi ko sinisiraan ang anak.
Yeah, that's true. Yung iba kasi, ang dating kagad sa kanila, like nung Sunday, may mga pinost ka after ng iba nang dating sa kanila, parang sinisiraan mo. Pero ikaw,
kasi random ko lang, alam ko, 4 yung anak ko, parang ba't wala yung isa dito? O meron na sa kanilang kilometric na dinagdag, di ba?
Pero Shari, yun nga ang nakakatuwa sa'yo. You're always true. Kahit sa sarili mong mga anak, kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, at least alam namin, hindi ka plastic, di ba?
Actually, yun naman ang, you know what my promise to myself was when I started. And this still holds true up to now. When I leave show business,